Namaste, and today I am going to teach you algebra. In algebra, I am going to teach you factorization of trinomial of type x square plus bx plus c, x square minus bx minus c, x square plus bx minus c, x square minus bx plus c. In this type of trinomial, how to get the value of b and c. Okay, it is going to be taught today. Now let's start with the first slide. It goes like this. Okay, and in this first one, okay, see here, I am going to teach you the related one expressions. Its introduction. We have x plus m, x plus n. When we multiply them, x into x, x square, m into x, mx, n into x, nx, n into m, mn. Okay, like this we multiply. And after that, we can see here, when you take common from these two middle terms, what is common there? X is common, x take common, then m plus n is left inside the bracket. And let's compare this, okay, all algebraic expression with this, comparing this result with x square plus bx plus c. Then in place of b, what is here? M plus n. This b we get by adding, and we get c by multiplying m into n. Okay, we get b equals to m plus n and c equals to m to n. Okay, and now let's start some examples. Okay, here in example number 1, find the value of m and n in each of the following. Number 1, m into n equals to 12, m plus n equals to 7. Solution, right? Then write m into n equals to 12, write remarks, and write m plus n equals to 7, then write remarks. And we have to check which is number multiplying it comes to 12. We can write more examples here, okay? Right, but at least 3. Or you can, if you want to write more, then you can show more also here. Now let's see here. 12 into 1 is 12. It's correct. Remarks is correct. And now let's add them. 12 plus 1 is 13. Remarks is incorrect. Now let's find other two numbers. X into this one, m into n1, 6 plus 6 into 2, 12. It's correct, okay? And 6 plus 2, whatever we multiply here, 6 into 2, 12, and that same thing we have to add here. 6 plus 2 is 8. It is incorrect. Remarks. And let's multiply other also. 4 into 3, 12. It's okay. 4 and 3 we multiplied here. It's correct one. Now add here 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, it's also giving correct remark. Then right here, in the above table, m equals to 4 and n equals to 3 gives correct result in both. So m equals to 4 and n equals to 3 are the answer. These are the answer. Okay, because n equals to 4, this one, look here, m equals to 4 and n equals to 3. This m equals to 4 and n equals to 3 gives this correct result. Because 4 into 3, 12, and 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. And here, if mn equals to minus 18 and m plus n equals to 7, find m and n. Solution, right? And write in first column, write m into n equals to minus 18, remarks, m plus n equals 7, then write remarks. And let's start with the, okay, any one, this one column 1, this one we have take two factors whose product must come. Minus 18, here I have taken 18 into minus 1. 18 into minus 1 is minus 18, and remarks is correct. And right here 18 plus minus 1, because n is minus 1 taken here. And when you add 18 and minus 1, it will come 17. It's incorrect. Here taken 9, we can take other also. 9 into minus 2, it's minus 18, and it's correct remark. And write 9 plus minus 2, it gives 7. It's correct. Both the remarks are correct here. Now we can check more also. 6 into minus 3, minus 18, correct remark. And 6 plus minus 3, 3 only. It is incorrect remark. That's why in the above table, m equals to 9 and n equals to minus 2 gives correct result in both. So m equals to 9 and n equals to minus 2 is the answer. Okay, like this we have to do. Let's move to the next slide. And here, m into n, by multiplying we should get minus 45, and by adding them m plus n we should get minus 4. Find m and n. What are those two numbers? Okay, solution: m into n, right, minus 45, right, remarks, m plus n minus 4, remarks, and 1 into minus 45, it's correct, and 1 plus minus 45, minus 44, it is incorrect. 3 into minus 15, minus 45, it's incorrect. Okay, this is correct one. And 3 plus minus 15, it's minus 12, it is incorrect. Now check other two factor. 5 into minus 9, minus 45, correct. Remark. 5 plus minus 9, it is minus 4, it is also correct. Remark. Because 5 plus 9 minus 9, no, 5 plus minus 9 equals minus 4. This gives correct one, right? And here also 9 into minus, this 5 into minus 9 is also giving minus 45. This also minus 45. In the above table, m equals to 5 and n equals to minus 9 gives correct result in both. So m equals to 5 and n equals to minus 9 are the answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Here in this question, if m into n equals 60 and m and n must come 7, find m and n. Okay. What are those two numbers? Which product must come 60 and subtraction will come 7? Right solution and write as m into n 60, remarks, m minus n 7, remarks. Okay. Then start from two factors. Okay. 30 into 2, 60. Okay. It's correct. 30 minus 2, 28 is incorrect. Whatever we multiply here, that same, those two same numbers should be subtracted here. 12 into 5, 60, correct remark. 12 into 12 minus 5, 7, it is also correct remark. Here giving correct both. And 15 into 4, 60, correct remark. 15 minus 4, 11, it is incorrect remark. Then write in the above table, m equals to 12, here is one, okay, and n equals to 5 gives correct remarks in both. So m equals to 12 and n equals to 5 is the answer. Okay, like this we find the given values. Okay, to find out here those two values we are going to find whose product is 60 and subtraction is what, difference 7. What are those numbers are 12 and 5. Okay, like this we solve. Now let's move to another slide. Okay, here questions are given for the assignment and practice. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions are given similar way. M into n 20, m plus n 9, m into n 21, m plus n 10, m into n minus 15, m plus n 20, this is 2. Okay, and m into n minus 45, m plus n minus 4, m into n 60, m minus n 7. Okay, m into n 96, m minus n, it must come 20. What are those two numbers? You have to find out. I hope you can do this question easily. Practice makes student perfect. Have a wonderful day. Okay, today this much only, and please keep practicing. Okay, and learn. Okay.